Morning to all of you. May I request all of you to stand for the national anthem. Honorable Chief Justice, sir, with your permission, may we start the proceedings? Sir, with your permission, the warrant of appointment under the hand and seal of the Honorable President may be read. I now read the warrant of appointment of the Honorable Governor, and I quote, by virtue of the power vested in me by Article 155 of the Constitution of India, I, Ramnath Kovind, President of India, hereby appoint Shri P.S. Sridharan Pillai to be the Governor of Goa with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 6th day of July in the year 2021, 15th Ashad, 1943 Sarshak, in the 72nd year of the Republic, signed रामनाथ कोविंद, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. आई नाउ रीड इट इन हिंदी. मैं रामनाथ कोविंद, भारत का राष्ट्रपति, भारत के संविधान के अनुच्छेद 155 द्वारा मुझ में निहित की गई शक्ति के आधार पर इसके द्वारा श्री P.S. श्रीधरन पिल्लई को उस तारीख से गोवा का राज्यपाल नियुक्त करता हूं जिस तारीख को वह अपने पद का कार्यभार ग्रहण करते हैं. भारत गणराज्य के 72वें वर्ष में आज सन 2021 ईस्वी के जुलाई मास के छठे दिन 15 आषाढ़ 1943 शक राष्ट्रपति भवन नई दिल्ली में दिया गया है. हस्ताक्षर रामनाथ कोविंद, भारत के राष्ट्रपति. May I now request the Honorable Chief Justice to administer the oath of office to the Honorable Governor Designate.
I, P.S. Sridharan Pillai,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will faithfully discharge the functions of the Governor of Goa
that I will faithfully discharge the functions of the Governor of Goa
and will to the best of my ability preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law,
and will to the best of my ability preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law,
and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Goa,
and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Goa.
With your permission, sir, the proceedings may end. May I request all of you to rise for the national anthem. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I now request the Honorable Governor to proceed to the saluting base for the Guard of Honor. I request the Honorable Chief Minister to accompany the Honorable Governor. I also request the Director General of Police to accompany the Honorable Governor. May I request the distinguished invitees to please remain seated on your chairs till the Governor returns after the Guard of Honor. Thank you.
Nanti press conference nanti.